You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of a cabin HEPA Plus cabin filter that you can find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. With a multi-bit screwdriver and a T25 Torx bit, unscrew the retaining screws on the lower casing section of the dashboard. Then remove it by pulling it towards the front of the vehicle. You should now be able to see the location of the cabin filter flange, as well as the two screws that need to be removed to access the filter. With a multi-bit screwdriver and a 5.5mm bit, unscrew the retaining screws. Then pull out the flange. Take out the filter. Before putting the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
There are three types of cabin filter. The white ones are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first ones are used to stop dust, while the second ones will also filter out smells and gases. There's now a new generation of filters on the market. Perflux has developed cabin HEPA Plus cabin filters, which filter out virus-sized particles and offer 50 times the protection of traditional cabin filters. The choice is yours. Put the new one in place, taking care to get the right direction for the flow of air. The arrows must point towards the back of the vehicle. Put the flange back on. Then screw the two retaining screws back in using a multi-bit screwdriver and a 5.5mm bit. Put the casing back on, clipping it in to start with. Finish by putting the retaining screws back. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.